Rocket Money, previously known as Truebill, is primarily a subscription management and budgeting app that helps users track spending, manage subscriptions, and save money. It is not typically used as a bank account or debit card, so direct ATM withdrawals aren't supported by the app itself. However, if you're using Rocket Money in conjunction with a connected bank account that offers ATM withdrawals, here's what to do. Connect a bank account. Link your bank account to Rocket Money in the app. This allows you to track your spending and manage your finances effectively, but does not enable direct ATM withdrawals through Rocket Money. Withdraw using your bank's debit card. If you want cash from an ATM, you would need to use the debit card from the bank account that's linked to Rocket Money. Go to an ATM, insert your bank's debit card, and complete the withdrawal as you normally would. Rocket Money does not issue its own debit card, so it can be used directly for cash withdrawals. Track withdrawal in Rocket Money. Once you've withdrawn cash, Rocket Money will reflect this transaction in the app, categorizing it in your expenses and updating your budget accordingly.